I'm outside, so not sure about the quality of the sound. I will just dub over if it's terrible. Got the tinkling of the wind chimes. I thought the sun's nice out here, let's enjoy it. I've got my maskcat doll order. I ordered it in early to mid-December and it's now January, February, March, April, May. The early days of May. So let's get it open. It was in a box that wasn't bashed for once, and inside wooden boxes, so unlikely to get bashed. It's quite windy, sorry for that, if you can hear it. If not, well, wind. It's England, my dude. Yeah. Oh, it's in a bag. Inside of the bag. Oh, individual. Two cute little boxes. I'm going to take them out of their own bags, but keep them down there so stop getting dirt on them. Admittedly, kind of look like tiny coffins, but they're so nice. They've got engraving and this little notch. Not sure how to open them, but I'll work it out. It's already grass. Like seriously, how'd you open this? Haha. So I ordered two during a event where if you spend over 500 then you get a free head, and also they have the new body which is double jointed, so I went ahead. What's in here? Oh, cute little envelopes. I'm going to see whether both of the envelopes are in here. Yeah, both of the envelopes are in here. Keep it closed. So I'll open these. It's got the same little logo sticker, which I don't want to break. So I've got a Joy in normal skin. I think both of them are normal skin, and they have a little birthday, which is cute. And wait, so is it 2024? 21st? Oh, okay. So it's when they were finished, not when they were started, because I wasn't there. I'd have a lot of December babies then. So it's Joy and an Inez, I believe. Oh, I broke the sticker. Oh, and there's more in this one. Inez. Very fun Z. In the envelope section with another sticker. I'm just taking it away in case it has any key information. Oh, and the head. So that's Melody. Once again in normal. All of them in normal. And then the little business card. I really love the little tiny one. I didn't expect that for the head. By the way, out of the two choices of Melody and the other one, I chose the one that looked less like my head because the other one was really shaped like me. Ooh, soft. velvety. Ooh. Once again, like a coffin. And then there's the doll. So I got some extra eyes to make up to the amount of money. So it seems I've got a pair of orangey red eyes and purple eyes. And then I think the dolls will come with one, but we'll see. Oh, got both of the dolls in here. So what's in the other one? A head? I assume they just give a box per doll. Oh, we got the head and wigs. I did not realise that is a huge head. I did not realise we were getting wigs, so I'll open the dolls first. That can be a mystery for later. So we've got the eyes. I will show close-ups of these. Nicely packaged. They've got a face up. So these will be the first, other than Emmy the Ant, these will be the first face ups I've got. It seems a lot thinner than the Mew doll Gina. Heads, I think, about the same size, if not slightly larger, maybe? A lot of packaging. Oh, she doesn't have eyes in. Should probably have a close-up for this. It's like when people come out of plastic surgery. Plastic surgery. I'm not sure what the resin is made of. Okay, so what do I like, what don't I like about this face up? The eyebrows, they're a bit, I don't know if these are done by hand or not. They're way better than I can do, so props. There's a bit of messing up on that one, that left that eye. I'll show some close-ups again. I like the blushing. I've kind of learnt that from some people on Instagram, the forehead and the cheeks. The lips, I quite like the definition. I'm not sure if I'd do that hard with the brown. It's a bit of messing up. I wouldn't do the eyelashes that long, but interesting. She's got a very square jaw, especially compared to the Gina doll, which is kind of more similar to my kind of face shape. But yes, I'm quite happy with that. I'm gonna add some face upping on top, so we'll see how that goes when I go through it. In terms of the body, it seems a lot smaller. I'll have to actually put them next to each other. The feet are absolutely, minuscule little feet. Yeah, and there wasn't a bust size on this, but it's got all of the articulation I expect. It's a bit more petite than, just in terms of body style, than the Mew doll, which is the only comparison I have. So I'm going to put that down there and then get out the sister. So this is 2 characters, so I think this, I asked them to make the Joy more smiley in the face up, so I think this is the Inez. So this would be Catherine with a K. The character, not with a K. And this should be Joy. Ooh, she looks sadder. Maybe I didn't get my smiliness. Got slightly darker eyebrows and slightly less sloped eyes, I'd say, compared to the other sculpt. I do think this is the Joy. I'm not sure. She's got a smaller mouth. Kind of got a sadder face. When it comes to these, she's got kind of slightly more chubby cheeks. Not sure. What are the differences? Got definitely darker eyebrows, slightly less angular eyes. Got more ruddy mouth. That's about it. I mean, they're both very cute and worth the price. They've got the same hand sculpt. Cute. And then we'll get into the next one. On to the next box. gotten everything out the way, packaged it back up. Open again. So we've got a blue and a brown wig. So thus far, better quality than the Mew wig. And given that I think it just came with it, that's pretty fantastic. It's much more, it's not overhead, it just hasn't got so much hair. That is really cute and soft. I'm not sure now. I was gonna make, I mean, I've got plans to make wigs for the two of them. I even purchased the hair, but I'm not sure who suits blue hair. Fantastic. It's got a little wig cap, which is very well structured. So cute. And it's the same style, but in a nice shiny brown. These are so soft. Definitely. Okay, if you're looking to buy a wig for these adult sized 1/6, 100% spend your money on Mudol rather than no, not on Mudol, on maskcat dolls rather than Mudol. This is so much better quality than the one I got with Gina. You'd have to compare the prices. I believe it's 16 or 18 for the Mudol, and I'm not sure about the price of this because I didn't know I ordered it. So that's those two. And then this colossal head. I don't know what scale it is in. I will put it here when I work it out, if I work it out, if I can be bothered, if I remember. But yes, this is huge. This is like small infant, actual child head sized. So I imagine these are more fun to paint because you can do more detail work with assurance. Because I have to say that scale is tricky because it's smaller than the normal 1/6. Oh, that smells like resin. Yes, so I got the one that's sculpted less like my head, but it's still pretty like my head actually, other than the fact that I don't have huge anime eyes, obviously. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, and I think I'll probably sculpt it to look like me because I regretted my choices like usual. And I'm probably going to sculpt a neck and torso for it, and eventually probably a body, because having a floating head's a bit odd. Oh, that's so cute. It's got a little imbued, so 04, don't know what that means. Probably look inside or find out what. Slightly, I don't think that slightly messy eye holes, but I can sand them down a little bit with my rotary tool. They have definitely sanded this. You can see the little specks of dust from the sanding, but fantastic quality. I think I paid just about $500 or just over $500 for this, and yeah, fantastic. I had to ask them to add the option to have both of the heads, to have two face-ups as an option, because I ordered the two dolls at the same time. I probably should have ordered some eyes for this girl, and absolutely fantastic. I definitely recommend maskcat doll. So thank you, come again guys. Enjoy.